The Detroit Diesel Series 71 is a family of four-stroke diesel engines that were produced by Detroit Diesel Corporation from 1938 to 1995. The Series 71 engines were designed for use in a wide range of applications, including industrial, marine, and on-highway application. They were known for their durability, reliability, and fuel efficiency, which made them a popular choice for many businesses and organizations. The Series 71 engines were available in a variety of sizes, ranging from 271 cubic inches and with outputs ranging from 40 to 525 horsepower. They utilized an inline design which made them compact and easy to install in a variety of different vehicles and equipment. The engines also utilized a four-cycle design, which was more efficient and provided better fuel economy compared to two-cycle diesel engines of the time. One of the key features of the Detroit Diesel Series 71 engines was their use of a unit injector system, which delivered fuel directly into each cylinder. This system was more efficient than traditional mechanical injectors and provided better fuel economy, while also reducing emission. The engines also utilized a hydraulic governor, which maintained a constant engine speed, regardless of load conditions. Throughout the production of the Series 71 engines, Detroit Diesel Corporation continued to make improvements and advancements in engine design. For example, they introduced the DDC, Detroit Diesel Electronic Control, system in the late 1980s, which improved engine performance and efficiency and reduced emission. The DC system also provided real-time engine diagnostics and improved engine control, making it easier for operators to maintain their engines. The Detroit Diesel Series 71 engines were widely used in a variety of applications, including industrial, marine, and on-highway applications. In the industrial sector, the engines were commonly used in heavy equipment, such as bulldozers, cranes, and backhoes. In the marine sector, the Series 71 engines were used in a wide range of vessels, including tugboats, fishing boats, and cargo ships. And in the on-highway sector, the engines were used in a variety of truck and bus applications. Despite their widespread use and popularity, production of the Detroit Diesel Series 71 engines came to an end in 1995, as the company shifted its focus to newer, more advanced engine design. However, many of the Series 71 engines remain in service to this day, providing reliable power for a wide range of applications. In conclusion, the Detroit Diesel Series 71 was a family of four-stroke diesel engines that were produced from 1938 to 1995. The engines were known for their durability, reliability, and fuel efficiency, and were widely used in a variety of applications, including industrial, marine, and on-highway applications. Despite the end of production, many of the Series 71 engines remain in service today, providing reliable power for businesses and organizations around the world.